I'm Dr. Tanmoy Biswas. I welcome you all in my channel Chemistry, the Mystery of Molecules. So today's topic is a very easy MCQ, I'd say. So you have to say what is the product. 4 options are provided. One of them is right. I request you please pause the video and try by yourself. So let's discuss. So before going to details, I request you please read the nature of the reagent and the product determination by this elimination process. If you look at this nature of this reagent, see this is actually a 7-member ring, where 6 are carbon and 1 is the nitrogen. Since it belongs to this ring, that's why this is 7-member ring. And this is actually cyclic amide. Why amide? Because of this CONH thing. It's a cyclic amide, and heating will result of amide polymer. It's actually rearrangement reaction you can consider. Under heat, this molecule rearranges and produce a polymer. Actually, this is a small molecule, that's why you can consider this is as a monomer. Under heat, it will convert this into polymer. Okay, now question, the main difficulty I believe many student faces, whether it's nylon 6 or nylon 6,6. I shall come and explain. So reaction, what happened? In presence of heat, what happened? This bond grade breaks and produces. So this is the, you may consider this is a negative, this is a positive. So since nitrogen is relatively more electronegative. Now, and another thing, nitrogen can act as a nucleophile. So this negative charge thing can act as nucleophile. And nucleophile to what? Another molecule. Means you may draw the same thing, but student, whenever you try to draw a big molecule, I request you please be careful. Please be careful about the silly mistake. So this is the N minus. So this nucleophile will attack here. So it will be quenched. Fine. So another thing, this molecule also has this NH. It can attack another molecule. So in this way, chain propagation will go on. So you may consider this is actually a chain initiation. Okay, and this step is, you may consider chain propagation, like that. Propagation. This is a chain propagation. Okay, and chain termination is by quenching, because cationic anionic things are there, so they could be quenched by any solvents which can act as a nucleophile and attack this terminal CO plus and quench its electron deficiency. Okay, or this NH minus can take a proton. So in this way it could be possible. So in this way, what it produces? It produces a very famous polymer, student, remember, nylon 6. Now I will think you sometimes get confused about nylon 6,6. So for that I shall give you the thing. So this is not nylon 6,6. I told it is nylon 6. Now why not other option? For example, why not it's polyester? Actually this is not ester, student. This is a polyamide. So not possible. Polycarbonate is also a carbonate ester. So not possible. So only amide possible. So nylon 6 but not nylon 6,6. Why? Just look at, student, what about nylon 6,6? Nylon 6,6 is produced from hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid, and nylon 6, actually this is produced from caprolactam. The 7-member ring you have seen, that is a caprolactam. And there are other two famous polymer, that is polycarbonate. You can see it's a carbonate ester. Okay, bisphenol A and phosgene it produces, and another is, that is an ester of terephthalic acid, means this part, and ethylene glycol, means this part. Okay, so ethylene glycol, terephthalic acid. Fine. So how this caprolactam is produced? This is produced by Beckmann rearrangement. I have already discussed in a dedicated video, you may visit. So what happened? First in Beckmann, this cyclohexanone reacted with hydroxylamine and produces this oxime plus water. This is actually a sieve base reaction. Okay, so sieve base reaction. And in next step, what they do, they use sulfuric acid, protonate, and elimination possible. I have already discussed about Beckmann rearrangement, so you may visit for how to this happen, means the mechanism. Okay, so in conclusion, what we have learned today, in presence of heat, monomers are organized and resulted in polymer. In this case, that is caprolactam to nylon 6. This reaction is result of an amide bond breakage and formation. This amide breaking and forming, means from monomer to polymer. So during this polymer formation, the entropy of the compound is reduced, because monomer is a single molecule, and when many single molecule added together in a particular fashion and produces a bigger molecule, then that is called polymer. That's why this reaction is entropically unfavorable or reducing, means entropy of the overall process is negative, but remember in this case enthalpy is positive. That's why reaction proceeds. Now, so from monomer to polymer we get. So thanks for watching. If you really enjoy, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel Chemistry the Mystery of Molecules. See you.